Baba, Baba. Got tired just to decide on how I should prepare and head out to this small ride within the city. Yes, I mean like 40-45 kilometers from here. Today we have a team outing to one of the resorts in the outskirts of Bangalore near to Devanahalli. For me, riding with these riding boots is always comfortable because I like to have like easier stances, like placing the foot easily on the footrest. Maybe I'll give a demo to all of you, like because many people I notice when they ride along with us in groups and all that, like they'll be complaining like bottom of the feet is paining, it's burning, all those kind of stuff. So maybe I'll make a short demo video. First thing, on the gear lever, I will only do the transition towards the gear lever when I have to do the gear change. Otherwise, most of my, even my daily commutes also, I have my left foot toe planted on the footrest. At the same time, on my right side is this is something I have learnt over the course of time, wherein like I used to place my foot on the brake lever all the time while riding. So what it happens, it applies some at least small amount of pressure on the brakes, which is causing your brake shoes to rub off or like wear off very early, too soon. So you need to be very comfortable to do the switch from toe to bottom of the feet or the ball of the feet and again back to toe quickly. So I am used to it. I am like very much used to it. Now I do it for the brake lever as well. But let me adjust the camera a bit. Hopefully, yes, now it should be better. I'm excited because after a long time we are heading out with it to a team outing. So it's been more than a year since we last time went to Mango Mist Resort. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I just hope. I am already scared to see the traffic here. Like it's not looking good, guys. Friday I expected at least like lesser traffic. I forgot to get my ID card. Shit! I had kept it in my other jacket. Now how will I even manage to get inside the tech park? Oh god. And I really don't want to head back, but maybe I'll just push along, try to get inside, and if not allowed, I'll just start myself. I had an idea of capturing some glimpses of them starting on the bus. Oh god. Oh, I plan everything to the detail and at the last moment I forget one or the other thing. By the way, the mic is good, so I'm not overly happy or like too happy about it. But yeah, it's doing its purpose, but soon I need to invest on some good gadgets because I have
love you from a distance.
Wow, look at that cheap. But today it's too early and I have to reach the premises soon just to see what things are going on. And wow, Megatron's younger sibling, Gigatron, maybe. I carried the goggles, but I don't know how much I'll be able to use it. Put it on the group.
You are looking like
what?
Someone going to Mars and
इतना अच्छा कार रखा है भाई.
hey bro.
हाँ, इतना बढ़िया कार है. सही है. हाँ, सही है कलर. I don't want to be stuck in this pathetic traffic. What I don't like the most is the traffic. I like the roads to be like this, see? So whenever I see empty roads, many songs come in my mind, and one of them would be सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी, हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं. Yeah, off-road, dude! I didn't expect off-roads. Awesome, awesome.